Once upon a time, there was a father with 2 sons. The elder one was smart and capable, while the younger was foolish and unable to comprehend anything. The younger son desired to learn how to shudder, a concept he couldn't grasp. And his father, exasperated with his lack of skills, sent him to the sexton to learn. The sexton took the boy to a haunted castle for 3 nights. But the boy's encounters with ghosts and spirits left him unafraid. Frustrated, he set out on his own, hoping to learn to shudder somewhere else. Along the way, he encountered various eerie situations but remained unshaken. Eventually, he reached another castle where he agreed to spend the night. Despite the efforts of ghosts and supernatural beings, he remained unfazed. Finally, a terrifying old man challenged him. But the youth proved himself stronger and received great riches. He married the king's daughter but remained obsessed with learning to shudder. His wife's maid devised a plan involving gudgeons and cold water. And when the young king experienced the strange sensation, he exclaimed, "Now I know what it is to shudder."